Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are okay. We are starting our day at gym, just trying to stay healthy. Post workout, we decided to go for shopping as we needed some furniture. You guessed it right. Where else to get the furniture than IKEA? We are in search of a dining table today. Let's hope we find one. These cups are for 75p, that is like 96 rupees in India. A small detour, I just love scented candles. We are trying to browse all the office furniture we can get for our home. I love this chair, by the way. Someone decided to keep a fake egg there. And a lot more of furniture. We get all the design ideas from IKEA, so you might just love it here. And finally, the actual shopping begins. And we started with flowers. I think we're gonna get a lot more flowers today for our home. Look at our beautiful lights for home. We are planning to add some frames at home, but not really decided yet. And we are on to more flowers. It's just beautiful, isn't it? Finally, the shopping done, heading to billing counter. Shopping done, heading home. We still did not get furniture. We are cooking something special today. We are far from home and miss our family. As we missed our parents' anniversary, we are making a dessert in India called Gajar Ka Halwa. We'll take some carrots, And now we clean it. Now we chop the ends and cut into 2 pieces. It's time to grate the whole carrot until the last bit. Once done, keep it aside. Now take a pan and add some milk to it because we're gonna make something called khova in India. Khova is nothing but milk slow cooked until it solidifies. Take another pan and add the grated carrot to it. Just watching a show while cooking just makes cooking easier. And by the way guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we'll add some ghee to it. Four to 5 pieces of cardamom. And of course, it's a dessert, so we're gonna add sugar. Looks like it's done. Add a bit of crushed almond while you serve, it just enhances the taste. Well, I hope you liked this episode. We'll see you in the next one. Enjoy this beautiful dessert with your friends and family. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.